We're doing question number 1 from paper 2023, paper 3. So ethyl ethanoate can be made by reacting ethanol with ethanoic acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Just rub this off. Okay, a mixture of ethanol, ethanoic acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, ethanoic acid, with anti-bumping granules is heated under reflux for 10 minutes. The apparatus is rearranged for distillation. The mixture is heated to collect the liquid that distills within 70-85 degrees. The distillate is placed in a separate funnel. Aqueous sodium carbonate is added and a stop is placed in the funnel. A mixture is shaken, releasing the pressure as necessary. The lower aqueous layer is removed and the upper organic layer is placed in a small conical flask. Anhydrous calcium chloride is added to the sampled conical flask. The flask is shaken well and left for a few minutes. The liquid from the flask is distilled and distillate collected between 74 and 79 degrees. Okay, you have to read this because it's an experiment. It says 1.1. State the role of concentrated sulfuric acid in this reaction is a catalyst. The reaction mixture is flammable. Suggest how the reaction mixture should be heated up in step 1. You can use a mantle or electric heater because you can't use the flame, okay, because it is flammable. Question number 1.3. So figure 1 shows the student set up the apparatus for reflux in step 1. You should assume that the apparatus clamped correctly. So identify 2 mistakes the student made in settling the apparatus. State the problem caused by each mistake. Sorry, let me just see if you can see this properly. Mistake 1, there is a bung at the end of the condenser. Problem caused pressure can be built up. Mistake 2, water in and water out is in the wrong place, so the other way around. Water does not fill the condenser, so the condenser is not cool enough. Question number 1.4, state why sodium carbonate is added distillate in step 4. Explain why there is a build-up of pressure in a separated funnel. So sodium carbonate is used to neutralize the acid, and the build-up is due to carbon dioxide produced, okay, gas produced. 1.5, give a reason why 2 layers of form in separating funnel. Suggest why ethyl ethanoate forms the upper layer. So reason ethyl ethanoate is immiscible with a water layer. Suggestion ethyl ethanoate is less dense than the water, so stays on the upper layer. 1.6, state why anhydrous calcium chloride is added in step 6, is used as a drying agent, basically absorbs water, okay? 1.7, a student used the method to prepare some of ethyl ethanoate. So you got your reaction here. It says student adds 10 centimeters cube of ethanol, you got MR, 5.25 grams of ethanoic acid, and obtains 5.457 ethyl ethanoate, which is MR88. For ethanol density is 0.79, determine the limiting reagent. The limiting reagent is the one who finishes before, therefore it finishes the reaction. And then it says calculate percentage yield of ethyl ethanoate, this one here. So first of all, density equals mass over volume. So mass equals 0.79, okay, grams, which is that, times 10, which is 7.9 grams, okay, because you multiply by 10 centimeters cubed there, because you multiply density times this gives you mass. Then moles equals mass over molar mass, so you got 7.9, you got the mass, divided by 46, which is MR of ethanol, gives you 0.172 moles. So you got this ethanol, which is 0.172 moles. Moles of ethanoic acid, you got 5.25, because it shows here, grams divided by molar mass of ethanoic acid 60, it gives you 0.0875. So the limiting reagent is ethanoic acid, as it has the smaller moles. So we know that's limiting reagents, that's the ratio you do there. So you write ethanoic acid. So to work out the percentage yield, you got actual moles divided by theoretical moles times 100. The theoretical moles is 0.0875 because that's what you found out here, okay? Because that's your theoretical value with the smaller moles with the limiting reagent. And then then you have got the actual values was 5.47 divided by 88, which gives you 0.0622 moles. So percentage yields is actual divided by theoretical times 100. So it gives you 71% for that question, okay? I hope it makes sense. So just a reason why the percentage yield is not 100%, because reaction is an equilibrium, so it's reversible, so it's always going up and down that way and that way, okay? So it's never going to be 100%. So that's it for that question number one. I hope it made sense and you understood.